I've seen this happen a lot, and I need you to pay attention here. If you're buying a home, I really suggest that you don't allow the seller to give you a discount to re-roof the home for you. This is a big negotiation tactic, but it's one that leaves you in worse shape. The fact is, they don't have to spend the 5, 6, or even 20 years that you have to spend in that house. They're looking to save money any way that they can, even if that means finding the most dirt cheap contractor to put the cheapest roof they can on that roof. Save yourself the headache and the hole in your wallet of a bad re-roofing job, and make sure that you put the roof on your house yourself. Having a few grand off of the offer price isn't going to be worth having to replace the roof in a few years or having to do a whole bunch of patch jobs.